Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox a package that just arrived from the United States of America. Last week, exactly 10 days ago, I ordered 2 pairs of pants from Levi'S USA, and I ordered it online on their website as the usual thing that I have been doing for the past months, and they sent me this package. So we're going to, unbox this. And just the same, this package went through the Johnny Air Cargo Plus. Johnny Air Cargo Plus is very efficient and reliable with regards to my parcels and items that I bought from the United States and any part in the United States in arriving here in Manila. It takes about 8 days for the item to arrive here in Manila, to include the processing of the customs or Bureau of Customs. And once this package arrives in the receiving offices in California, immediately the following day they send it through the Philippine Airlines, and it is being processed by the Bureau of Customs. And after 8 days or 8 to 9 days, I receive the package at the office of the Johnny Air Cargo Plus at SM Mega Mall. So without much further ado, we're going to unbox this item, the latest pair of pants that I ordered from Levi'S USA. So we got 2 pairs of Levi'S pants from the package, and first that I ordered is size 29 of the 501 jeans, because I've been observing lately that my size in Levi's is between 29 and 30 inches waist. With regards to size 30, I observed that my butt is not good in the fitting, so I went to the local authorized distributor of Levi's here in the Philippines, and I tried have fitted with size 29, and I was surprised that size 29 really fits on my body and my butt. Okay, so I bought one locally, and then just to make a comparison later on my videos, I bought another size 29 in the United States, so that we can make a comparison of the one that I bought here in the Philippines and the one that is being bought in the United States or ordered online on levi'susa.com. So I got one size 29, and I think this is size 32, you see, or size 30, and we will have a fitting video on this. Let us put this aside. What is very important is this pair of jeans. I ordered these jeans for the first time because I was influenced by somebody on YouTube on his content on his YouTube channel, where all his content is about Levi's vintage clothing, and that is Denim, and he is one of my subscribers. And I'm also one of his subscribers also, as I was very impressed and still impressed on how he presents the history of Levi's pants during the early, I think in 1873 until the early 1900s. So with the channel, his contents are all about Levi's vintage clothing. And when I checked the website of Levi's USA, during the Black Friday sale, and I found out that they're offering 40 to 50% discount on their Levi's vintage clothing. I took the opportunity to order one with my size, and I got the 1966 model of, is this 1966? Yeah, maybe, or 1955, I think. 1955, correction. This is the 1955 version and reproduction of the Levi's vintage, and I got this. We'll, for the time being, we'll just leave at that, and in my next video, we're going to really conduct a review on this, and we will inspect what are the things that could be seen in this pair of pants as compared to the present 501 jeans. So guys, those are the things that we are going to see this in this video. It's simply an unboxing of two pairs of Levi's pants that I ordered from levi'susa.com. The Levi's 501 in 29 waist size, and this Levi's vintage clothing of the 501 jeans in 1955. So with that, watch my next video so that we're going to scrutinize and conduct a review of these pants. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.